Whoa. Robot and cowgirls. Nothing can go wrong. Yo. Baby, it's alright. I need you, baby. Lonely night. I need you. Huh? I'm vlogging. No. YouTube. I don't want to walk though. It's across from Bull Monk. It's that entrance.
I thought you said it was by the words.
Want to drive?
No, it's too late. We're already halfway there. And it's beautiful out.
I don't like walking. It's too far.
It is really far, actually. We're
Yeah.
halfway there, so it's fine.
No, this campus is too big. I really hope somebody drives over here so we can hitch when we're done.
Like somebody from the company?
Or should we Uber and expense it?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's okay, we're halfway there.
No, we're almost there. It was like the entrance. It's here.
This isn't the works.
It's like the entrance of the works. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. When did they start doing food trucks? It's because you said no to driving.
When did I have the opportunity?
I asked you, like, should we go, like,
Shut your mouth.
want to drive?
No, it's too late. We're already halfway there.
No, Hannah's there. Is that Matt? What's up? What's up? Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Can I get footage of this, of you getting footage of it?
I
Yeah.
heard I get free food.
No, it's a
On
Grindhouse
camera.
food truck. Yeah,
So
so
what did you record? I get canceled.
World
so
Star will be great.
I get
Hi. How are you? Can I do what has the most calories? Can I do a cowboy style and another one to go? And then onion rings?
Yeah, I need the not involved.
Ooh, it has a TV. Whoa. Robot and cowgirls. Nothing can go wrong. Why are you working?
not the only one. with-
He's supposed to work, not us. Can I add a fry and an onion rings too? Yeah. Thank you.
Are you guys, are all...
Yes, sir.
You know that's the to-go one?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I like that here. 119. Yeah, ma'am. All
Yo.
your toppings, everything's gonna be right over there, y'all.
Whoa. Grindhouse on the fly. Ooh, this is like a Hawaiian potato bun.
They never really had a line more than
Good. What do you got? You want some onion rings?
What?
Onion rings?
I don't like onions that much.
Okay. No, it makes sense.
In the onion capital of the world, I don't like onion rings.
It kind of makes sense.
I'd rather have garlic.
Joey, can I order another one?
You can ask them. If you want any good customer feedback, you just look and say, can I get another one?
I mean, if you're eating it on camera like that, yes, you can have another one.
Okay, I definitely will.
Because I want to see that footage. So.
It's going up on YouTube.
Perfect.
Okay. Can I get another Grindhouse style? Everything. Thank you.
Are you happy for your second burger?
It was small.
That's the
Right.
That's the
I want to ride, but I have to eat the burger on camera. Oh yeah, give me 2 minutes. One
I'm
just
excited to share a car with you after you ate 2 burgers in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Thank you. Yo.
You built the VO loop?
Mm-hmm.
They're really tripling out the fun.
It's like very expensive microphone.
That's the thing.
They have good pickles. Yeah. I'm done with my second one too.
Awesome. Because I know that burger just came out.
And then
Well done.
And then he's
Thank
gonna just
you.
do another like 5 hours of work right now.
My employee contract includes a food coma session.
Thanks again.
Bye, Matt. Oh, how do we?
I have disco lights. No, that's always funny when Uber drivers do that. Well, thank you again, everyone, for coming.
Well, thank you for driving us and treating us.
That building, the bank right there that the construction
Oh.
workers are in, that's about to be. I mean, it's
Grindhouse?
not gonna be until 2025 probably.
Oh, so that's Grindhouse?
Yeah, they're gonna add like a second floor and everything.
Like, it's always fulfilling when you stuff 2 burgers in 3 minutes.
Look, I should be holding this.
It feels good. Good food and your tum-tum? Where did that come from? The mix. I completely forgot I ordered a burger for you, and I ate it. That's called the Cowboy. Oh, by the way, this is our new office. Okay. Back to work.